Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about remove admin submenu page. So if you remember that in previous video I showed you remove top level admin menu page, and now in this video I'm gonna show you how we can remove submenu page. So again, use case will be the same. For example, you want to remove some links from third-party plugin for some users. So in that case, you can use this function. So before jumping into the code, this is my local site and this is my custom plugin. So everything I demonstrate in this custom plugin only. And I have activated this BuntyWP plugin so that we have some BuntyWP related links over here. So how to remove submenu page? For example, let's try to remove add new page. So for that we can use this function called remove submenu page, and here I have opened admin.php from my custom plugin, and this is the code we added in our previous video to remove main menu. So I'm gonna comment this. We don't want to remove any page. Now let's try to use this function called remove submenu page, which accepts two arguments. One is menu slug and another one is submenu slug. So what is menu slug? So we want to remove add new link. So add new is under the plugins main menu. So menu slug will be plugins.php. It is giving us fatal error because we haven't passed any argument. And submenu slug will be the menu slug of add new. Okay, now let's refresh this page and add new should be gone. So as you can see, add new is not there. So here you can add your condition for particular user role type if you want to remove links from particular user role type. So that's up to you. So that is we removed submenu from the core page. Now let's try to remove this group types which is coming from BuntyWP. So for that, let's copy and paste this. So groups slug, first we have to pass group slug. So whenever we have page equal to anything, that can be considered as slug. So its main page slug will be this, and let's see the group types slug. So group type doesn't have page equal to type, but in that case what we can pass as a slug is whatever after wp/admin we can pass this whole as a sub menu slug. So now group type should be removed. So as you can see, group type is removed now. So this is how you can use remove submenu page. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.